All right, guys, what up? So, a company named MaxPeedingRods hit me up. Company based out of China. They make everything. I'm not sure if you've heard of them. They've been featured on a couple channels like Hoonigan, stuff like that. So, they make coilovers, they make turbos, they make pistons, rods, catch cans. And I was just looking at their website, and this is just some of the stuff that I saw. They reached out, they said they wanted to send me some cash, send me this, send me something. I told them to send me some coilovers for the daily. They got here yesterday, but as you saw, we have a nice little blizzard going on, so. All right, here we have them. So, I was gonna do a little like open it up with a razor blade and all that BS, but I already opened them. I already checked them out. I already did a couple takes of this, which were failures, but we have a little pamphlet. They got their little, you know, stuff that they make. They make rods, they make cranks. They make cranks, I didn't even know that. They make air ride, they make carburetors, coilovers, turbos, all of that. So check them out, MaxPeedingRods. They're actually pretty cool. Company based out of China. Got toothbrush. Alright guys, look at this stuff. Coilovers, anodized. Stuff is really nice. How much does this all cost? This set on their website, I think it's like $240. Okay, fully adjustable height, camber adjustment on the front. Like seriously, these are fucking nice as shit. You know, these ain't Olin's, these ain't Skunk 2, but these are here now. So I appreciate you, MaxPeedingRods. Next video will be me installing them on the daily, because these are for a 2006 Honda Civic, and we're gonna slam it. So. All right, so again, thank you, MaxPeedingRods. Awesome coilovers, very, very decent quality. I mean, I don't see any point that these, you know, I know that the seals and everything are really important, but we live in a pretty modern era where you can manufacture pretty much anything at a high quality rate pretty cheaply. So again, thank you, MaxPeedingRods, for reaching out. These are going to help out a lot, make the car look great, hopefully, and the next video will be me installing them.